Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your favorite Oklahoma real estate agent, Colin Bennett. Today we're at 4208 Mahogany Hills Drive in Moore, Oklahoma, 731-760. Guys, we have an absolutely breathtaking home for you today. As you walk in on the right-hand side, you have this gorgeous office. It's probably about a 15 by 13. You have a huge window bringing a bunch of natural sunlight. You have this accent wall making the home feel really warm. As you walk into the bathroom that connects, you have this beautiful tile, beautiful, just breathtaking home again, guys. It wraps around into the living room. You have an open concept with the living room and kitchen area. As you swing around here, you have some built-in around the fireplace, plenty of storage. You have a wall full of windows in the back. And then personally, probably my favorite part of the home is going to be this kitchen, guys. So as you can tell here, we have these Frigidaire professional appliances, huge refrigerator. You have a double oven, plenty of cabinet space. As you can tell, you have this brushed gold handles, which I personally love. You have some see-through. You have a Z-line gas stovetop, which is perfect. It's ideal. It's a very high quality appliance. You have a pot filler. Again, guys, you have two different countertops as well, from the back to the center island. The center island's one giant piece, which is actually really hard to find. Again, the color scheme of this kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. You have some hand-picked light fixtures as well. So there's so many hidden storage areas in the house. This being one of my favorite ones in the island. You have 6 doors, so you have plenty of storage. You know, when you have a kitchen, you don't want to have any items laid up on the countertop. And speaking of secret storage, you have this butler's pantry that is completely hidden. As you walk in, you have another pot filler. You have an enormous amount of cabinet spaces from the ground up. You have a sink, microwave, another spot for a refrigerator. The storage in this house is absolutely never ending. This is perfect for people that love to cook. So you have this formal dining area with a back window as well, so you have a bunch of natural sunlight coming in here, and it's also connected to the primary bedroom. This thing has huge raised ceilings, guys. It's probably about a 20 by 18 if I had to guess. I personally don't know, but I can get the specs if you guys are curious. We have this charcoal barn door leading into the bathroom. This bathroom is absolutely breathtaking. Again, that is just the whole word for this house. Taps all the way around. You have built-in storage for your shampoo, body wash, whatever the case may be, a little stool for shaving, sitting down, whatever, multiple shower heads, and you have a his and her storage. Again, his and her sinks as well, and a little makeup spot right there. I always forget the name of that, but you know, I'm sure the girls know as well. And you also have a bidet in the toilet area and more storage, guys. Leading into the walk-in closet. Again, this is the size of, you know, a lot of people's master bedroom. This is probably about a 20 by 12. You have seasonal racking, which I personally love. All these handles come down. So if you have jackets, coats, whatever you don't want to really look at or mess with, it comes down. You have, again, plenty of light in here. You have a hand-picked chandelier. You have the windows coming in, gives you a natural, you know, just a good warm feel to your house when you come into the bedroom in the morning. Off the primary closet, you're gonna have the washer and dryer room. You have hookups right here, counter space in between. So if you wanna, fold stuff up, shake them off. You have tons of storage to lay out your clothes. You have, 2 spots for trash cans. They're enclosed and hidden as well, so it's not gonna stink up your house. And you also have this very well thought out shower for your dog. Perfect if you want to clean shoes, boots, bigger items. You can kind of multitask for sure. And you have, what I love about this laundry room is that you have different tile on the ground than anywhere else throughout the house. And then you go back into the central part of the house. We've seen all of the downstairs, so let's go check out the upstairs. You have this darker tone carpet leading upstairs. You have this huge window. It's probably 12 feet tall. Again, this house has all hand-picked light fixtures coming up. And then you have a lighter tone carpet once you get into the hallways. So the design of this house, the color scheme of this house is absolutely thought through from every single detail, from the rail to the rail color to the carpet to this carpet as you lead into the flex room, I like to say. This is probably gonna be a family room, a movie theater. It could also be used as a bedroom if you had to use it. But again, this home offers 4 bedrooms already. You have this well-placed bar right here. You have a little sink. You have a awesome mini fridge. It's actually a little bit bigger than most mini fridges I see in homes. Storage up above here, with a little bit of hidden lights. And the reason why I said this could be a flex room, because there is a full-fledged bathroom in here. This tile, guys, I love. And then you also have the storage up here, so if there's just some things you don't want to look at, or if you want to make this into your game room and put your games in there, you can do that as well. And then you also have attic access through that door. Follow me to the final part of the upstairs. You have bedroom number 1 with a walk-in closet in the front of the house. You have a Jack and Jill setup, and what I love about this is it's a completely different color scheme from the rest of the house. You have this baby blue. Walking into bedroom number 2, it also has a walk-in closet. And then what I personally love about the upstairs, it has its own washer and dryer room, so folding their own laundry. So we've looked at all of the inside of the house, but you guys have not got to check out the very unique garage setup. So we have this very unique garage setup, guys. You have a 2-car garage, and then you actually have a wall separating an additional 2-car garage. So you kind of have his and hers. If you want to have a workshop room, a car room, a motorcycle room, whatever the case may be, you can divide it up pretty simply. And then you have this bathroom off one of the garage doors that leads out into the back patio, which is perfect, guys. If you guys are doing a lot of outdoor entertainment, you have easy access to the restroom for kids playing. They don't have to dirty up your house. You have this very, just one-of-a-kind patio, guys. It's covered. You have a fireplace. You have tons of windows looking into the house. You have a built-in grill, plenty of storage. And then you also have this built-in screen that's built into the brick. So it's gonna really protect the patio from climate. If it's really windy outside in Oklahoma, we do get quite a bit of wind. You won't get a bunch of leaves piling up in your patio. Again, this home is built by HR Home Designs. Every detail of this home has very well thought of. Every color, every wall, every light fixture, every detail of this home is thought after. Again, I'm your Oklahoma real estate agent, Colin Bennett. If you guys are looking to buy, sell, build in anywhere in Oklahoma, give me a call at 405-590-3792, and I'll see you guys in the next one.